What's up, YouTube? What's going on? We back at y'all with part 2 of the Traxxas Mini Maxx. In the previous video, we updated the diffs, we updated the motor, the ESC, we put another couple of aluminum parts. But in this video, we're finally gonna do a test run. I wanna see how fast I can get this thing to go. I have a few more upgrades, a few more aluminum parts. We have some aluminum suspension, both front and back, that we're gonna go ahead and put on this thing. I know it's gonna get heavier, but just hear me out. Let's do this. Let's see how fast we can get this thing to go. I did put a 22 tooth pinion on this thing. We also got aluminum hub carriers and steering blocks for this thing. Let's put these on there. I know it's gonna be a little bit heavier, but whatever. I also have aluminum front and rear bumpers, but I don't wanna put that on yet because I know it's gonna get scuffed up. We also got the J Concept Magmas. These things are solid. Not as heavy as the stock, but we'll see. We did upgrade the suspension. I also got some Amazon special 3S batteries, 3S lipos. Let's put this on. Let's take it out to the local parking lot. Let's see how fast we can go. First, let's install all this. Let's make sure this thing is right and tight. And let's get it popping. Let's go. All right, so let's get started. Let's start off by taking off the tires. All right, guys, so what we got is front and rear aluminum arms. We're gonna go ahead and put this on. And we also got the front and the rear carriers. Let's go. All right, guys, so like I said in the previous video, we installed the motor, the ESC. We did put a cheap little Amazon servo. 1,000 times better. We also changed the front and rear diffs. We put 80K weight oil in the front and back because that's all I had. And then we also changed the springs. This is from an old project I had. This is, I think, VC Racing or something like that. Super VC Racing. They feel so tight, so good. It just feels dialed. Look at that kickback. It just feels amazing. We put the GPM chassis brace. We put some aluminum steering links. I mean, this thing is dialed. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start in the rear. I'm still waiting for the lower arms. That should come in the mail pretty soon. But let's put in the uppers on both sides. For the upper suspension arms, part number is gonna be TXMM057B. All right, guys, for the rear hub carriers, part number is gonna be TXMM022B. Let's go. Look at the difference in bearing. So much bigger, so much better. Bigger is better, right? Boom, there it is. Nice and soft. Hopefully these bearings allow it to go fast. I wanted to go 100 miles an hour. It's like, that's not gonna happen. But all right, cool. We put in the top ones. All right, guys, and there it is. We got the uppers. We got the axle carriers. This looks good. Got bigger bearings. Got a more secure hinge pin system. This looks amazing. All right, let's go ahead and put the rest on all fours. Let's go. All right, guys, the front is done. Look how good that looks. All right, let's get the last one done. All right, guys, and there it is, officially done. This looks so good. We got the aluminum fronts, the tops only. I'm waiting still on the bottoms, but guess what? This looks sick. Tell me it doesn't look sick. You know, and honestly, I think I might just keep the bottom ones plastic just in case something has to break. It's gonna be these bottom ones. But look, GPM, everything. This looks fire. All right, let's go ahead and test. All right, let's see exactly how fast we can get this thing to go. This thing. All right, guys, and there it is. We have officially upgraded this thing to the max. I think this is dialed. Now, the true test to see exactly how fast we can get this. I'm expecting 50, maybe 52 miles an hour with this setup. Maybe not with these tires, probably with your stock tires. But this thing, damn, looks so good. This is probably my style. This is exactly how I like to run them. Jade Concept tires, definitely really good. We're gonna run this in the sand tomorrow. I'm currently at my beach house. We are not at my other house, and that's where I have all my RC cars. That's where I have the whole setup, and that's why I'm doing it on the table. But we're gonna go ahead and test this out tomorrow. We're gonna take it to our local parking lot to see exactly how fast I can get this. I will say that I kind of noticed some cogging going on, but again, that's probably something going on within maybe a connection or something. But again, tell me what you think. Does this not look good? After all the upgrades, yes, this looks amazing. Let's go.
From Rambo, guys, say like, follow, and subscribe.
Peace.
Peace.
All right, guys, we're out here in the local parking lot. Let's see what kind of speeds we're getting with this. I did connect my DX5. We have the GNS Pro. We have a cheap 3S YouTube special battery. Let's see exactly how fast we can get this thing to go. Don't disappoint me. Let's go. All right, it is on. We have 12 track. All right, here we go. I feel like there's some cogging. Why is there some cogging going on? All right, let's see. There's definitely some type of cogging going on. There's some bullshit. All right, there's definitely some type of cogging. Let's see. Well, this came all undone. Motor is not hot at all. All right, moment of truth. Are you gonna disappoint me or not? Let's see. Stop. 40 miles an hour.
Why are you crying?
I'm a little disappointed. This has a 22 tooth pinion stock spur. What the hell? All right, back to the lab it is.